In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable form with drop-down lists in Microsoft Word. This feature is very helpful when you need people to choose from preset options instead of typing their own answers. It keeps responses consistent, saves time, and makes your documents look more organized and professional. Begin by opening your Microsoft Word document and making sure it is ready for editing. The drop-down list will appear exactly where your cursor is placed, so click on the spot where you want the menu to show up. Before you can insert this control, you need to turn on a special tool called the Developer tab, which gives access to advanced form features. Go to the File menu and select Options. When the Word Options window appears, choose Customize Ribbon from the left side. On the right panel, look for the list labeled Main Tabs and find the Developer option. Check the box next to Developer, then click OK. After doing this, you will see the Developer tab added to the top ribbon of your document. Click the Developer tab, then look for the Controls group. You will see several icons for form tools. Choose the drop-down list content control icon, which looks like a small menu with an arrow. A placeholder box will appear in your document that says Choose an item. With this box selected, click the Properties button in the same Controls group. The Content Control Properties window will open. Here you can give your drop-down a title if you want, which helps you identify it later. Next, look for the section labeled Drop-Down List Properties. Click Add, and a new window will appear where you can type the text for your first option. Enter the item you want, then click OK. Repeat this process for each additional option until your list is complete. When finished, click OK again to apply the settings. You now have a working drop-down list that people can click and select from inside your form. Creating fillable forms in Word makes collecting information easier and keeps your documents clear and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.